Syria, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on accessories for the home, and we're going to give them that coastal flair that we've been doing. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. For my first project, I want to make over this vase that I found at Dollarama for $3. So we will need some twine, a paintbrush, white paint, measuring tape, and a glue gun. I bought all of these things at Dollarama. So first we'll start out by measuring and marking every 2 inches up the vase. I want to create stripes with the twine, and I'm going to paint half the stripes white and leave them half the natural. So I'm measuring here every 2 inches and just dotting with paint. You could use tape as well. So now that I have my markers, I can begin by gluing the twine onto the vase. The first piece, you really want to hold it, make sure it's nice and secure. I found it best just to apply as much as glue as you think is needed, which was quite a bit. And I will begin then just wrapping the vase and applying the glue, and then wrapping more. Okay, so now that we're finished that section, I'm going to go up so the 2 inches and then start again gluing the twine on, wrapping and gluing, wrapping and gluing. Okay, now we're finished wrapping, so it's time to paint. So I'm just dabbing the white paint onto the twine. It's kind of brushing and dabbing, dabbing and brushing. It doesn't matter if you get any on the vase because we're going to be finishing the vase off with the natural twine. Once you have a coat, you'll have to leave it probably for a good 45 minutes to dry. Now we're adding the natural twine. next project, I'm going to make over this clock that I also bought at Dollarama. So I start out by taking the back off, or actually kind of taking the face off. So just unscrewing using a small screwdriver. And then removing the glass and the trim. And you sort of have the open face. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually trim the hands. After I'm done doing that, you can just pop off the hands pretty easily. So now I want to change the face. So I'm going to use construction paper. So I'm going to use the glass and just trace around so I can cut my circle. So when I was doing this, I started out using this sort of brownie color. And then I thought, I kind of want to go with probably a little bit of a brighter color. So I actually changed to blue. I just felt like it was a little bit more of that sort of coastal style. But here you'll see I am cutting out the circle. And then here you'll see I'm going to trace that circle to create my blue circle. So here we are. So I've got my circle. And I've punctured a hole in the center, and I just used the mechanics to do that. And then I used a glue stick, to attach the face. After that, I pop the hands back on, and they just sort of snap. You can tell when they're back on correctly. And then we add our shells. So this is how we're going to tell time. We want 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, and we go around. I added twine at the edge of the blue paper, but that's optional. So now that I have them all spaced out, I can put the glass back on. And the face. And I'm going to go ahead and reattach and screw that back in. Now that's all completed. And there we are. Okay, so now I want to finish this off. So I'm using twine to complete the look. So once again, just like we've been doing with other things, we're wrapping the twine around and using the glue gun to adhere it. And then now I'm going to use some rope. And once again, just following along the line, along the edge, and adding the rope. Okay, so now that we're done, I've gone ahead. Now, unfortunately, I thought I was filming when I did this, but I've attached this sort of decorative piece on the side here, just using twine. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. So I just sort of made a loop with 2 pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue gun that on, and then I just finish it off with 1 piece in the middle. So once again, just adding glue here. Keeping them looped, and make sure you have enough length that you can wrap around the back. Lots of glue. Now I'm doing 3. You could do 4, we could do more. And I just have them evenly spaced. So I'm really pleased by the way everything turned out, and I hope you enjoyed making these items or enjoy making these items as much as I did. Stay safe and take care, and oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'd love to hear some comments. All right, well, take care, everyone. Goodbye.